Welcome inside the production line. Watch how precise packaging machines bring luxury jewelry boxes to life. Step 1. Automatic gluing and cardboard sheeting. The machine applies an even layer of eco-friendly glue to the wrapping paper. Step 2. Precision alignment. Skilled operators ensure the soft sponge perfectly aligns with the glued cover paper. Step 3. Fast and flawless forming. The semi-automatic box-making machine expertly folds the edges and presses the corners. Efficiency meets perfection. Step 4. Final assembly. The inner trays are inserted and the boxes are carefully joined. Final pressing and quality check. Thousands of premium jewelry boxes, ready for the world's top brands. Looking for reliable packaging machinery? Visit KylinMachines.com today.